Great. Okay, so in the initial stages, around 2011 to 2012, Hackveda Limited commenced by developing cybersecurity products at a smaller scale. And simultaneously, the company started engaging in research and collaborations with organizations, aiming to familiarize researchers with the concepts of cybersecurity. Now, these efforts included elucidating, meaning elaborating the domain of cybersecurity, and identifying possible avenues for publications and research. Subsequently, in 2012, we began conducting cybersecurity workshops. Now, by approximately 2014 to 15, the company's expertise in cybersecurity had grown significantly. And eventually, in 2017, the company officially registered as a separate entity, independent from VMDD Technologies. Now, the core mission revolved around tackling cybersecurity issues, software development, providing research support, and fostering workforce development. Within a year of establishment, the company expanded its global reach and got registered in Canada back in 2018. Now, coming to the vision and mission. So the main mission of the company is to address hiring challenges by establishing a workforce pipeline connecting educational institutes to industries. And our objective is to develop products at an industry level and share our experiences with other industry, booming companies. Now, you all have the opportunity to contribute to our goal over here by creating industry-grade products and by collaborating with us to acquire knowledge and experience. Your creativity can be utilized to enhance existing products and create new ones. So let's look at the key products that we have developed. The first one that we have is body composition machine. Now, this is a product we manufacture that helps analyze body composition. Then we have the paratrooper locator system. This is one of our flagship products, continually improved over more than 5 years. It's used for locating paratroopers and is supplied to ADRDE Agra, a defense research organization. Then we have the AI Blood Report Manager, another significant product utilizing AI and NLP to extract and analyze data from medical reports. It identifies anomalies, recommends treatments, and aids doctors in analysis. It's currently employed by various diagnostic labs. Then we have the Heart Fitness app. This app assesses the user's heart health and is utilized by athletes, fitness coaches, and institutes. Versions include Android and smartwatch apps with a web app currently in development. Then we have the Pearson VUE test centers. Now, we are certified Pearson VUE test centers facilitating over 3,000 exams, including those by Microsoft and Amazon. And we serve more than 3,500 clients through these centers. Then we have our algorithmic trading systems. We employ various algorithms for stock trading, predicting drops and their extents. In addition, we also delve into various other technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and cloud computing. Now, these products have very specific focus areas. Around 33.3% are geared down towards defense research, approximately 25% cater to healthcare, roughly 16.7% are intended for research and professional courses, and about 8.3% pertain to internships and training. Now let's look at our services. One of our primary services is software development for clients, including defense research and development organizations, just like I mentioned before. We collaborate with scientific analysis groups. Additionally, we also partner with laser science technology groups and the Center for Fire Explosives. In the healthcare domain, we specialize in creating Django web applications, Android apps, and smart watch applications. Another significant area of focus is education, where we design professional courses, workshops, and training sessions. We also provide research support with a current research scope encompassing machine learning, deep learning, cybersecurity, and network simulation. Furthermore, we are actively broadening our research horizons. As we've previously discussed, we are an authorized Pearson VUE test center, facilitating more than 3,000 international exams. We also develop assessment exams for select clients. Lastly, just like I've mentioned before, we offer internships and professional courses both in person and online. Our programs include self-paced learning with live mentorship, and we may share some of these courses with you. Currently, we're running workshops with software testing being one of our ongoing courses. Now, let's take a look at the key people we have in our company. First is Mr. Devanshu Shukla himself. He is the co-founder, executive officer, and technical officer here at Hackveda Limited. He oversees all of the technical operations and projects within the company. Next, we have Mr. Vijay Kumar, our retired wing commander of the Indian Air Force. He currently serves as the director of operations and is the owner of VMDD Technologies since 2008. Following him is Ms. Neha Avasti. She is the co-founder and the director of HR. Lastly, we have Mr. Sumit Dama, again, a co-founder of Hackveda Limited in Canada. He resides in Canada and manages the Canadian branch. Prior to this, he gained experience working at American Express and Amazon. Now, let's take a look at the market analysis. So, given the expansive scope of the IT market, we predominantly operate within these 5 segments. Here's how our process unfolds for each technology. First, we have training. We initiate by providing comprehensive training on the chosen technology to our exam. Then we have assessment exams. Subsequently, we create a variety of assessment exams to evaluate proficiency in the technology. Third, we have research. We then delve into in-depth research pertaining to that technology, constantly seeking avenues for improvement and innovation. Fourth is software development. Utilizing the insights gained from the research, we proceed to develop software applications centered around the technology. Then we have delivery. Now, finally, the fully developed software is delivered to our clients. It's worth noting that Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, stands as one of our major clients. Now, this process ensures a holistic approach to technology implementation and a thorough cycle of learning, development, and application as well. Coming to our customer profile. Now, as I previously mentioned, we collaborate with several esteemed organizations, including DRDO, SAG, Laser Scientific Technology Group, Center for Fire Explosives, Department of Education, and the Ministry of Home Affairs. Here are some of our accomplishments as well. In the 2021 to 22 period, we conducted workshops for school students in the Delhi NCR region, focusing on topics such as cybersecurity. Additionally, we also engaged in projects like sentiment analysis. Now, within the healthcare segment, our primary clients consist of dietitians, sports coaches, and doctors. In this realm, we have undertaken projects like the AI Blood Manager, Diet Recommender, and the Heart Fitness app. In the realm of research, we extend our expertise to assist PhD scholars, supporting them with the technical facets of their work. We establish partnerships with a variety of institutes and industries to equip them with a skilled workforce. In this endeavor, we also facilitate the administration of assessment tests. Now, these efforts reflect our commitment to a diverse range of sectors, including defense, healthcare, research, and education, as well as our dedication to enhancing technical skills and fostering collaboration. Now, recently we have developed a intern tracker team management web application, which will sort of help you guys through your internship and through your tasks as well. So before I show you the actual web application, I'll talk about few of its features. So first we have the intern activation. Okay. Now, our intern activation process ensures seamless onboarding for new interns, acquainting them with our company's culture and expectations. Then we have the task allotment. Once the onboarding is done, interns are assigned tasks based on their skills and interests, aligning with our ongoing projects. Then we have the tasks and presentations. Okay, so interns work on assigned tasks and they also have the opportunity to create and deliver presentations on their progress, just like you can see the mail over here. Then we have the attendance marking system as well. Regular attendance is recorded to track, all sorts of intern engagement and involvement in our projects. This is one of the submission and presentation scoring. I apologize because the slides are a bit disorganized. Now, completed tasks are submitted for review and interns are evaluated based on their presentation and work quality. Just like I mentioned before, presentation schedules, they're scheduled at regular intervals where interns showcase their work and share their findings with the team. Then we have the new task request and schedule presentation feature, where interns can propose new tasks based on their learning goals, and these are discussed and scheduled during the presentations itself. Then we have the daily progress update as well. Each day, interns have to provide updates on their progress and share their insights and challenges faced during their tasks. We also have a specific scoring parameter. We utilize specific criteria to assess interns' performance, including the quality of their work, presentation skills, and their ability to meet deadlines, which I'll be talking about, further. Here it is. So we typically, guide, score all of the interns based on these particular parameters. So first we have the hook score. How exactly are you getting to the point of your task, or of your entire project itself. Then we have the story score. Typically, as interns, you guys have to assume that the audience sitting in front of you are kids, okay? And you will have to explain your project and all of the complex, algorithms or concepts in very simple terms in order for the audience to, understand. Then we have the PPT score. We'll be scoring you based on the, design, how you're presenting the content that you have. Then we'll also be scoring on your communication score. Then you will also have to, once you're done with your presentation, you'll have to have a question answer slide where either any of the scrum managers that are available, it's going to be me or either Mr. Mahendra sir or Mrs. Anshita. They will typically question you if they have any questions, or the interns will question you. Then we have the end presentation score. We'll also be looking at how you conclude the presentation. Then once you're done showing us with the presentation, you have to give the demonstration, while presenting the PPT itself. We'll be giving you scores based on how good your demonstration is, how perfectly you've done your task. Then we'll also give you the camera score. It is mandatory for you guys to keep your cameras turned on almost all the time during the presentation. If your camera isn't turned on, if you're facing any sort of technical issues, we'll just postpone your presentation. Then we have the mic score, the background image score, and the internet score, of course. So before we, dive into the future plans, I'll just show you guys the tracker. Okay, so here's the tracker, right? We also have a login page where you guys just have to enter your email ID and then the password. Nothing more than that. Here you can see the internship details, the task progress, the presentation scores, the probation performance progress. Now, typically, if you guys do want to get into the, what do you say, paid internship, right? You guys have to score above 70%, in during in these 2 months itself. Otherwise, you guys won't be considered for the, what do you say, paid internship. Then profile settings, if you guys would like to change your password, you can just do it after logging in. You guys will be given a default password. So it's not really recommended that you use it all the time. There's a mark attendance feature over here. Now, you guys will have to use this feature every single day. We schedule our presentation from Tuesday to Friday, right? So you guys will have to, every single time you have to give your progress report, and then you have to mark your attendance. You'll also be sent a mail to mark your attendance. So keep keep a track of your mails so that you don't miss out on the attendance link. Then once you're done with your task, once you're given all of the scores, once you've given your presentation as well, what you can do is you guys can click on the request new task button over here. And then within like 24 to 48 hours, you guys will be given a new task. Also, while you're done with your project and the PPT, you will have to click on schedule a presentation. Again, within 24 to 48 hours, you guys will be given a date, and on that particular date, you have to come to show your presentations. Now, once your probation period is done, let's say you do not even want to continue the paid internship, or you just aren't eligible for it. What you guys can do is that you guys can click on the request completion letter, and you guys will be sent the completion letter. Do not try to click it before your probationary period. You guys will be termed ineligible. You guys won't be given any sort of emails. And yeah, if it is being abused, if that feature is being abused, we guys will debar you from the internship period. Now, let's take a look at the tasks tab. So typically what will happen is that once you guys request for a new task, okay, you guys will be given the title. You guys will be given the assigned date and the due date as well. A status will be given to you as well, along with the references. Then you will be also provided, what do you say, instructions for what you exactly have to do. And let's say if the instructions aren't enough for you, we have plenty of interns over here who have already done the tasks that you guys will be doing. So what you can do is that you can take a look at their videos and you can, work on your task. You do not have to copy the entire thing. Okay. Do bear in mind that we keep track of all the internship projects. So if we do see, a high amount of similarity between past interns and the projects that you guys will be doing, we will be giving you less scores. Let's go back. And then again, it's we have the profile section. That is pretty much it about the intern tracker web app that we have developed. This is the technical support. Now, let's say if you have any sort of queries, our technical support team is active from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You guys can contact them for any sort of, what do you say, technical queries or any sort of project related issues, or you guys will be working on Amazon Web Services and other sort of platforms as well. So if you guys are facing issues with that, you can contact the technical support and they will reach out to you as soon as they can. Let's go back to the presentation. Okay, so we had to talk about the future plans, right? So the primary objective of ours is, twofold. First, we want to create innovative new products and develop application mockups. And secondly, we want to enhance the quality of the workforce and establish a robust pipeline between industries and educational institutions. Now, that is pretty much it for the welcome session. Now, I want you guys to to raise your hands first. Okay. All of you, please raise your hands. Anshu, Parul, Praveen, Sanu. I want you guys, I will be taking your names. You'll have to turn on your cameras and you'll have to give an introduction about yourselves, okay? You'll have to say your full name. You'll have to talk about your branch. You'll have to talk about your year, your college, any professional certifications or awards that you have accomplished, then the technical skill sets and expectations from the internship. Guys, please keep your hands raised. If you aren't keeping your hands raised, I'll have to term you as ineligible for the internship. Anshu Singh, Praveen, are you guys in the meet? Okay, great. Praveen, please keep your hand raised. Oh, okay. Let's start off with Parul. Parul, you can unmute and turn on your camera as well. Parul, I think they must be having some issues. Then Sanu, you can unmute.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Just a second, I'm starting my camera.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can see me?
Yeah, I can see.
Yes. So my name is Sanu Devkar, and I'm currently from the Pune, and I'm pursuing the bachelor's degree in computer engineer from JSPM Imperial College of Engineering and Research, Pagoli, Pune. And I enrolled in Hackveda for AWS DevOps. My certification is I completed the CCP examination and Microsoft Azure System Architecture, Cloud Architecture, and sysops Architecture. And yeah, done for myself.
Great. Thank you, Sanu. You can
Yes, thank
mute
you.
yourself and turn off your camera. Then we have Anshu. You can unmute.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Turn on your camera, Anshu. Yeah,
Yes, sir, I am visible.
you're visible.
So, sir, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Anshu Singh Rajput. I am from Pune. Currently, I am pursuing bachelor's in computer engineering. I am familiar with Java and SQL, and I have completed one more internship at Phoenix Zone Technologies Private Limited. So, in that internship, I have worked on personal health record sharing system, and my hobbies are traveling and graphic designing. Thank you, sir.
Great, Anshu. Thank you for the introduction. You can mute yourself and turn off your camera. Then we have Praveen. Praveen, you can unmute and do turn on your camera.
Hello, sir. I think there is a technical issue. I can't able to turn on the camera. I'm Praveen. I'm Praveen Basavaraj from Bangalore,
Okay.
studying in Don Bosco Institute of Technology.
Okay.
Mm, and I chose machine learning and deep learning as a domain in Hackveda. Um, actually, sir, I think I made some sort of mistake before in Hackveda. Like I was in 16th batch, 16th August batch, but
Okay.
due to some issue, I couldn't able to attend a meeting at that day.
Okay.
So I just contacted the Hackveda team, and they said like you would have joined the meeting that day. They said like that. So I
Mhm.
joined today, and it was good.
Hmm.
And sir,
Good.
I just wanted to know that
Yeah.
mm, in what way you guys are guiding us. Like if you are learning on a machine learning model or a deep learning concepts, if
Mhm.
we have some issue, in what type you are guiding us? I can't understand that. Like there might be the class or something. Are you going to conduct like that?
Okay, so typically, the internship has been designed in such a way that
Hmm.
you guys will have a walkthrough through
uh,
certain concepts.
sir,
Yeah.
as you know, like we need some guidance, right? Without a being an intern, being an intern is a good in the Hackveda is a good thing, but we need some sort of pushback. Like someone need to push from the back, like by guiding us. Like to create this model, you need to read this concept. You need to do this.
See,
I
that
think
is what I'm saying. That is what
okay,
I'm
okay, sir.
saying.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That's what I'm saying, that we have created our internship in such a way that we
Hmm.
have given enough references, we've
Hmm.
provided enough resources in each task so that you guys can, familiarize yourself with the concepts of machine learning or deep learning in the first place. Now, another thing is that before you guys, there have been other interns as well, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah, sir.
those interns have created beautiful presentations. They have beautifully explained certain concepts in such simple terms that you can go back to our YouTube channel and you can just go through their presentation, and you will drastically and immediately learn all of those concepts. And if you face any sort of issues within your project itself, okay, uh, the scrum managers like me, or just like I mentioned, Mr. Mahendra or Miss Anshita, they will be helping you out. Okay, there's
Okay,
no
so
need to worry about that.
so
And yeah,
in the intern tracker, there is like feedback section, no, not a feedback section, but asking a problem. I think there is a bot, right?
there is
Some sort. Yeah. So, if we ask the question, they are going to answer within. It is possible within 10
it's
a.m. to
not a
6 a.m.
bot,
You told.
it's our tech support.
Sorry. I
Yeah.
just sorry for that. Like I just gone there and just asked some questions, but I didn't got any reply. And
You haven't gotten any reply?
no, sir. Next day, I just tried to type there, but it was unable. Like
What was the error?
I couldn't able to type there. It was just asking me to read. It just asked me to redirect the page. Like,
And when did you send a message over there?
so I think 22, 23, I think, like
No, I'm asking the
on
time.
23.
I'm
Yes.
asking the time.
No, sir. I saw the time, and it's around 11 or 12 p.m. 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. I think.
So I think they must be having their lunch or something like that. You can
Okay.
typically try to contact them in the evening. I'm sure they'll
Oh,
reach
sure,
out
sir.
to you.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any other queries?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Sir,
Yeah.
which is the best like YouTube channel to refer the machine learning? And you said that I will get some videos in the Hackveda, and after the hack, other than the Hackveda, can you just suggest some more YouTube channels which you learned?
Other than that, you can, if you want, you can typically stick to the Coursera courses that are online. Okay.
Okay.
Then there's this one YouTube channel called Krish Naik. He's a great guy for deep learning. Then I think there's another YouTube channel called as Campus Learning X. I'm not really sure about the name, but if you can see something similar, you can take references from their videos as well.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, I'm from, you know that I'm from 16th August batch. Is there any groups like WhatsApp group where there will be the sharing, like they used to discuss about the things, how they are like,
Nothing as such. Nothing as such. If you
okay.
want, what you can do is that in every single presentation, what the interns do is that they include their email ID by the end, okay, in their
Oh, okay,
Q&A
sir.
slide.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
you can take a look at the YouTube channel. You can go to the
Okay, sir, I will
interesting
do that. I will
presentation.
do that.
Okay, and then
Yes,
you
sir.
can see their mail and you can contact them directly. Yeah.
Oh, sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Parul.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can
Good
unmute and
evening.
yeah,
Good evening, sir.
do turn on your camera, Parul.
Sir, some technical issue.
Okay, great. Yeah, go on.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Parul from Kanpur. I did my graduation from BCA and I'm pursuing my MCA degree from PSIT Kanpur. My domain, Python programming.
Okay. And what about your interests and any other certifications that you have accomplished?
Yes, sir.
Have you accomplished any?
Yes, sir. C++.
Okay. You can mute yourself, Parul. Then I don't think we have any other interns left to give their introduction. Do you guys have any other queries? You can ask me right now. Parul, Praveen, Anshu, Sanu, any queries? Any sort of queries? I'm here to answer them. Just a minute. Yes,
Yes, sir. As see today's first day, sir. So how can I start the work?
You will be sent a mail, Sanu. In a few days' time, you will be sent a mail. or you can or in a few if you do not get any sort of mail, you can just go to the intern tracker and you can request for a task. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Any
Thank
other
you.
question, guys? So I don't think you guys have any further questions. So should I end the meet now? Great. Okay. I hope you guys have a brief idea now about our company and what you guys can expect from the presentation. Yeah, Anshu. Wait, I'll unmute you. Go on, Anshu.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, as I will continue as an intern. So, sir, if between, if anything problem occurs or like I can quit in between.
I quit in between, as in, do you need a break or would you like to quit the entire internship?
Like, sir, if I want to quit an entire internship, then
Then, well, you won't be getting any sort of certificate for that.
okay. So, like, if I want to, like, I can quit after 6 months.
You can quit after 2 months.
Okay, like firstly 2 months, then after that the decision will be there.
Yeah, then the decision for the paid internship will be there if you know uh, people the other employees superior to me find you, what do you say, eligible for the paid
Okay.
internship. You will be notified individually, you will be approached personally itself for the paid internship. Otherwise you will have your completion letter.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I think we're done. I don't see any other queries. Thank you everybody for joining in. I'll be stopping the recording now.